Bay, weekend na sad. Di ba, lami yun kay kaog ribs, bay. Yang nindot ron sa Cebu, bay, because, kuhan ba, sa pandemic, daghan na nun kay nanggawas naming kanan. And today, we are gonna feature someone who is smoking ribs. So, this is the ribs na niabot na. Gikan sa Black Smokehaus. So, gikan ni sa Lapu-Lapu, by the way. So, mao ni ako niabot na. Oh, hi. Oh, so mao na ni. Oh, i-vlog din ako. Alright.
Salamat, sir.
Salamat kayo. Oh, so, diin pa ni bay? Lapu-Lapu pa ni bay?
Sa Nabuna.
Oh, layo-layo gyud. Oh, so mao na ni. Atong ribs. Packaging nila mao ni ilang sauces and shakes. Smoked pork ribs. Nindot yung packaging bay. Nindot yun kayo. Basta. Oh, agas pa sa sauce. So, itong basahon bay. Mauna. Glazed, sticky on the outside. Full of the bone ribs on the inside. Black Smokehaus. A quality product of Dazed food. Dazed food. Good foods. We follow na sa Facebook, Black Smokehaus. In Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Number is 032-344-9408. Mobile number 0995-009-3281. Black Smokehaus. Look at that. Sana kadako bay. Umot bigid kayo. Power. Grabe kadako bay. It's time to taste bay. So yung kuanon bay. Kung fall of the bones bagid ni. Alright. Oh shucks ka. Umok. Alright. First ever taste sa itong Black Smokehaus. Humutas karne ba? Nami kay kuan sa baba. The smoke is really in the meat. Yeah, really kuan. Hurot. Humok din siya ba? Nag-look forward na ko sa akong lunch. I like the barbecue sauce. Tamis. Spicy gamay. Very smoky. Lawa raw. Limpyo kaayo ba? So I want you to try it kung hilig kag mga ingani ba ka ng mga smoke na meat. Kani. One of the best. Natabay na lawa raw. Unsa ka humok ba? Fall of the bones siya tanawa ko ng tangtang na yun. Wakag. Grabe enjoy ka kanon. Sakto rin yung pagkaluto ba? Very paig. The meat is so tender. Of course, medyo gahi gina sa crust. Pero, sakto ko yun. Yeah, ang aso nanunuot yun dito sa niyang karne. I'm sure mag-enjoy ko sa akong lunch. Ang family mag-enjoy. And of course, akong dogs mag-enjoy sa bukog. But yes, grabe, delicious. So later, we'll have some more. So guys, hands down, one of the best deliveries yun na nadawat nako is the smoked ribs from Black Smokehaus. Kasi grabe yun kalami bay. It's full of the bones, full of flavor. And can you imagine kung ano ba yan na? It's really meticulously made. They make it more, I think, para maluto lang na ilang batch of ribs. It takes them around 6 hours. And they cook it with, mga fruit trees, local fruit trees like mangga, nangka. So humot kayo siya bay, humot yun kayo siya. So may one of the best ever na ribs na kung natilawan, of course. Ang yung mag-wonder mo, tagpila siya, tag 95 pesos per 100 grams. So more or less, kung sa kilo na yung orderon, it's around 950. More or less mo na. Ang mga pricing na mag-start more or less around 800 gikan. Yan yung full rack gina of ribs. So mana, check out their page. Mas maayo na mas kuhaan gid mo dito mo sa Black Smokehaus. So tanawa lang gid na. And to learn more about them, like their page also, support them. And kung naman kailang na ribs, itag sila dito. Because I'm sure mag-enjoy sila. And it's really perfect for special occasions. Perfect ron garong Pasko na padong. And by the way, they also have, a smoked bacon na baligya, by the way. So, ano na. Perfect sa ginas mga bacon lovers out there. Na smoky kayang bacon. Perfect kayo for breakfast. Or even lunch and dinner. Or in a sandwich. So, muna guys. Let's keep supporting local businesses. So last description guys ang more kuan, more details about them. So let's continue supporting local businesses. Kuya gid kayo dagan gig mga awesome kinananggawas karong panahon na. And if you know something awesome, someone awesome also na who's making really good food, let me know para atong masuwayan. And if you have something you want me to try out, don't hesitate to PM me on my Facebook page or even on Instagram. So mana, lingaw gid kay ko. So thank you so much for watching this video. Really kuan hantod karon kung mag-imagine ko sa akong gikaon marag naglaway pa ko. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you na sad pohon sa atong mga future videos at mga future laags. Keep on supporting guys, keep on supporting local businesses, keep on supporting mga akong ipang feature dire. And most of all, please support me. Like my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course kung namo Instagram, why not magkuan mo i-follow ko ninyo. So guys, see you na sa atong mga next food adventures, and mana, stay awesome. And tinabangay lang yun para tamo bangon og dali. Bye.